So as our VM is ready now, whether it is AWS, EC2, your own choice of Azure VM or a dedicated Linux VM, we have set up our VM, right? The next prerequisite is Node, because npm node package manager is needed, because everything that we will do for installing OpenClaw is through npm. Okay, so to install npm packages, there are two commands. So I'm installing, right? So I'm installing within sudo. You must check which version of the node is installed. So you can say node-v or node-version, right? So it shows an npm, so this, right? So npm and node both are installed. Congratulations, you have your every prerequisite in your virtual machine or the Linux VM. Everything is ready. Let's proceed to installation of the OpenClaw itself.